If you want to make your spreadsheet charts look cleaner and more professional, one of the easiest things you can do is add a chart title. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a chart title in LibreOffice Calc in just a few simple steps. This is perfect whether you're building reports, school projects, business dashboards, or just want your charts to be easier to understand at a glance. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick LibreOffice tips just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a spreadsheet with a chart in it, you can open that file directly. If not, you can start fresh by choosing Calc Spreadsheet from the left side under the Create section. That will open in a new spreadsheet where you can build or insert your chart. Once your spreadsheet is open, make sure the chart is already created. If you need a chart first, select your data and insert the chart as usual. After the chart is on the page, click on the chart once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the chart outline or handles around it. Now, double-click the chart. This is important because it puts the chart into editing mode. Once you're in editing mode, LibreOffice gives you access to more chart options, including titles, labels, and formatting features. With the chart active, go up to the menu bar and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, choose Titles. This is where you can add or edit the main chart title, as well as other title elements if needed. A title box will appear, and now all you need to do is type in your chart title. Make sure it clearly describes what the chart is showing. For example, you might use a title like Monthly Sales Report, Website Traffic Growth, or Student Scores by Subject. A good title makes your chart much easier to read and understand. After typing your title, click OK to confirm the change. LibreOffice Calc will immediately place the chart title above your chart. You should now see it displayed at the top, making the chart look more polished and complete. If the title doesn't appear exactly how you want it, you can always go back and adjust it later by clicking the chart again, entering edit mode, and opening the titles option once more. That gives you full control if you need to change the wording or refine your presentation. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to insert a chart title in LibreOffice Calc quickly and easily. This small step can make a big difference when you're presenting data because it helps your audience instantly understand what they're looking at. If this video helped you, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more LibreOffice tutorials, spreadsheet tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.